Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I have a really cute card to share with you guys today. I struggle with masculine cards and this card came together really quickly, so I'm going to show you how we made it. My card base today is in Tranquil Tide and I have this cut at 5.5 by 8.5 and it's scored at 4 1/4. The stamp set I'm using today is the Truly Tailored and it does come with a coordinating punch, so if you purchase the two together you do save 10%. I'm using some of the Designer Series paper from that suite and that is called True Gentleman Designer Series paper. So we're going to fold our card base in half. This piece I have cut at 2 inches by 3/8 of an inch, 5 3/8 of an inch, I'm sorry. So it's not quite half, it's not quite at 5.5, there's a little bit of a space at the top and the bottom. I'm using some metallic foil doilies for this card and I'm going with the gold because I'm using the gold glimmer paper, and this piece is cut at 1/2 inch by, let me double check with my ruler, by 5 1/8. So this is 1/2 inch by 5 1/8, and I am just going to attach this. I'm going to attach my doily. The ink I'm using is Tranquil Tide, and I have my stamp mounted, looking sharp. I'm going to stamp that and punch him out. I am going to close my ink pad because I don't want any boo-boos happening. I'm going to add some snail behind it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to add some gold metallic thread. And in order for me to do that, I need to have the snail behind it so that it will hold nicely. And it just gives it a different look, having all this thread at the back, which I like. I've got my snips. I'm just going to cut it away. And I am now going to attach this with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Very nice card. Like I say, I struggle with masculine cards, and this one came together real nice and quick. We like that. I'm just going to attach that there. Super cute card, you guys. I hope you'll give it a try. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day and a safe weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.